Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best fire pits in 2019. To see the price and more information about these fire pits, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Outland Living Series 401. The Outland Living Series 401 more of a fire table than a pit, but so extremely good that I had to include it. Outdoor great room knocked it out of the park with this unit. It's incredibly elegant, classy as can be, and features superb construction quality to boot. It's a sizable addition to your patio, being large enough to hold a propane tank inside and offering a spacious top that makes for a great table. The design and materials used are both excellent. The stunning black glass top reflects the dancing flames to create a beautifully entertaining experience, while the wicker panels easily match with any patio decor. It's resistant to use in weather and the controls are easy to use as well. One of the best fire pits of all time and a personal favorite. At number 4. We have the Christopher Knight Home 296,587. The Christopher is a beautifully classic-looking fire pit that features some of the best firestone work I've ever seen. It's well built and big enough to hold a 20-pound propane tank inside, hiding it from view, and the controls are straightforward and effective. It has a great presence in the 40,000 BTUs of heat output to ensure a comfy heat wave around it. Couple all of this with a surprisingly low price and you've got a fantastic choice. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Heininger Fire Pit. The Heininger Fire Pit comes with a 10-foot hose to attach it to a propane tank, not included, and generate a max heat output of 58,000 BTU. According to GearWire, it's a bit of a gas hog, but still more than worth an investment. The included decorative lava rocks add a bit of class and will last for many backyards or camping get-togethers around a fairly smokeless fire. Users love that a propane fire pit frees them from lugging firewood with them on a camping trip. One reviewer on Home Depot summed up all of the benefits: no hassle starting the fire, no smoke, no moving chairs with every breeze direction change, can have a campfire during burn bans. At number 2. We have the Amazon Basics Fire Pit. Amazon Basics Folding Fire Pit is really anything but basic. It looks like a typical fire pit when setting up, but it's for sturdy legs, actually full-fitted easily into a carrying case to transport anywhere. Plus, it comes with a fire screen, logs grate and cooking grate. Since its bowl is fairly shallow and you can't fit larger logs with a grate on, you will probably have to use the grate swing door to add more wood, but you can do so without removing your burgers or shish kebabs. Even with all of these included features, it's an affordable option under $50, but only currently available used in like new condition from Amazon. Though Amazon claims this pit doesn't require tools for assembly, some reviewers explained that they needed to tighten the screws on the legs. Still, it worked great for the majority of users who wanted small campfires. If you're looking for a quick fire while spending time outside, this is a great choice for the price. Lastly, at number 1. We have the FireSense Folding Fire Pit. Like Amazon Basics Folding Pit, the FireSense has 4 metal legs that fold along its small bowl, so you can be stuffed into the included carrying bag to transport. It also comes with a cooking grate, logs grate, fire screen and screen life tool. However, FireSense offers 2 size options, including 122-inch pit and a 29-inch pit if you're looking for something a bit smaller or larger than the Amazon Basics model. One Amazon reviewer recommends this fire pit to anyone looking for something affordable, easy to assemble, easy to clean and put away. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.